iPhone SE2, the best that Apple can release in 2020. Rejoice, friends! According to reputable Apple insider Ming-Chi Kuo, this spring we will see the new budget iPhone SE2. It will be made on the basis of not very popular because of its neighbors in the lineup, but a decent smartphone iPhone 8. And I think that this iPhone will be the most popular smartphone next year. iPhone 8 will be the prototype of the iPhone SE2. And it is very cool. Our old friend Ming-Chi Kuo secretly whispered that the iPhone SE2 stuffing would be bomb. Apple just takes everything possible from the iPhone 11 and shove it into the handsome iPhone 8. Do you want the most modern, most powerful, fastest A13 Bionic processor? Get it. Wanted to get another gigabyte of RAM compared to the iPhone 8? Take it. Apple is not sorry for you. Quietly hated the fringe and the ugly camera of the iPhone 11 Pro? This will not be here. Only classic Apple style. The iPhone 8 did not become popular due to its proximity to the cheaper iPhone 7 and the revolutionary iPhone X. But this in itself is a very cool smartphone. The screen of the iPhone 8 is still beyond praise. Apple may pour in terms like Super Retina XDR or Liquid Retina HD, but the image quality on the screen in 2 years has not improved by as much as the price of the device has increased. In addition, many screens are ready and in stores and warehouses. And we know how Apple cares about the environment and does not produce too much. In general, the screen from the iPhone 8 will almost certainly migrate to the iPhone SE2. And that will be cool.